Okay, now we go on, and this time we are going to learn how to use couldn't. The negative form of could is actually couldn't. For example, if you say, I'm sorry, I couldn't help you. I'm sorry, I couldn't help you. That means मुझे अफसोस है मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर सका. Or I couldn't come to your party. मैं आपकी पार्टी पे नहीं आ सकता था और नहीं आ सका. I couldn't meet you there. Or I couldn't go to UAE. I couldn't meet my friends. I couldn't attend your birthday. I couldn't means मैं नहीं कर सका. Means in the past you were unable to do something. For example, I couldn't speak Spanish with them. मैं उनके साथ Spanish नहीं बोल सकता था. Right? I couldn't speak Spanish with them. So this time you're going to make some sentences with couldn't. I couldn't help you. I couldn't go with you and all that. Just make 2-3 sentences with that. Yeah? Yeah, please.
When I was student, I couldn't play cricket.
I couldn't play cricket.
Cricket. I couldn't play cricket. And when I was a child, I couldn't ride bike.
Good.
And when I was in my college life, I couldn't drive car.
Okay. Yeah, when I was at college, I couldn't drive the car.
When I was at
All
college.
right, that's good. Thank you. Next one, please.
I'm sorry, I could not attend your marriage ceremony. I'm sorry again, I could not attend your last week IELTS class.
I could not attend your IELTS classes last week.
IELTS
I
classes
could not attend your IELTS classes last week.
I'm sorry, I could not help you because I could not well.
No, I'm sorry you couldn't help you because I wasn't feeling well.
I wasn't feeling well.
Okay, next.
I couldn't give you loan. I couldn't.
Yeah, I couldn't.
I couldn't give you this job.
I couldn't do this job.
I couldn't
do this job.
do this job.
I couldn't avail this opportunity.
Yeah.
I couldn't travel alone.
I couldn't engage the party at the midnight.
Okay, I couldn't attend the party at midnight.
Or
I could not attend midnight party. Okay, very good. Next one, please.
When I was small,
Yeah,
I couldn't go to outside with friends.
I couldn't go outside.
I couldn't go outside with friends.
Okay, and
I couldn't play piano.
good.
I couldn't ride a bike.
Very good now, huh? When you are thinking, when you have a pen and paper, your brain will start thinking.
Yes.
So this is better. And
I couldn't make sweet dishes.
I couldn't make sweet dishes. Good job. Next one, please.
When I was in my school, I couldn't speak in English.
Okay.
When I was in Dubai, I couldn't ride jet ski. I couldn't eat vegetables. I couldn't drink soft drinks.
I couldn't take soft drinks and all that. Okay, that's fine.